Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're going on a trip. We're going to the Hawaiian Islands to make this simply wonderful Aloha chicken. It's really easy to make. It's simple. You can put it together so quickly. It's a combination of chicken, basmati rice, different flavors just blend together so beautifully. You're gonna love it. So let's head to the airport and take off right after this. Okay guys, we're going to kick things off by adding some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Add in a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And we're just going to go ahead and saute this until it's nice and fragrant. That wonderful aroma fills the air. Once that wonderful aroma fills the air, and I don't know about you, but I just love the smell of sauteing onion and garlic. I'm going to add in 500 grams or 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken that I've cubed up. And we'll season this up with some salt. And my all-time favorite, you know what it is, some ground black pepper. And we'll just stir and fry this up until it's cooked through. Not quite brown, but just cooked through. After we're cooked through and no longer pinkish, I'm going to kill the heat and we'll just set this aside. Next up, I'm going to add my chicken to a casserole dish. And I've gone ahead and sprayed this up just because we're using rice and I don't want rice caked to the side, but you know, it's entirely up to you. And give this a little spread out. Then to this, I'm going to add a small chopped red bell pepper. I just love the sweetness and color of the red bell pepper. And 400 milliliters of pineapple tidbits. Now I didn't drain this because I want that yummy pineapple juice in there. Alrighty then, we're going to make up our yumly chicken sauce, starting with 3/4 of a cup of chicken stock. Followed by 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and then 1/2 cup of soy sauce. And this is low sodium. I'm trying to keep my sodium down. And we'll go ahead, grab my handy dandy whisk and whisk this up. After my pineapple tidbits, I like that word tidbits, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of uncooked rice. And this is basmati rice I'm using, but you can use white rice or the rice of your choice. And of course I've rinsed this. Then our wonderful yumly sauce. Then I'm going to gently stir this up, and I'm going to do it gently because I've got a lot of liquid in here. Kind of my cup overfloweth. And I'm going to cover this up with some aluminum foil, lumium as I heard somebody say once. And transfer it into a baking dish, line with some more aluminum foil, just in case there's any spillage. And I'm going to slip this into a 425 degree Fahrenheit, 220 Celsius preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes, just until the rice is beautifully cooked through. Alright guys, after about 50 minutes, this smells incredible. Now the moment of truth. Let's do the unveiling. Oh wow, just look at this. Doesn't this look incredible? And there you have it guys, our scrumptious delicious Aloha chicken casserole. Oh, this is going to be so good. Okie dokie, it's my favorite time in the whole wide world again, and that is dig-in time. Just look at this guys, the steam rolling off it. This looks and smells incredible. No exaggeration here, guys. This is incredible. The basmati rice is so good. The chicken is tender. It's got that sweetness from the pineapple. And then the sweetness from the red bell peppers, the garlic, the spices. Oh, it just goes together so nicely. You're gonna want to make this for sure. For this recipe, head on over to the Hawaiian Islands. No, I'm just kidding. Head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool recipes over there. You'll be busy for days. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw, hit that sub button and hit that like button. Stay safe, guys, and see you next time.